Principal under pressure. The latest on the Hampton school head as the board needs to decide her fate after she attends a controversial court case. Hello and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Warpath. Nurses tackle the health minister.
The verdict is in. TVJ wins a big court case against CBM TV.
Victimization. Garbage collection agency under fire after firing some workers, while the union says it's politics.
Plus, the company's response. Then, last straw. Why some St. Anne residents are in anguish and their patience is wearing thin.
And in the business day, talking tough, JPS threatens electricity thieves.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary, as well as primetime weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Besides a pay increase for nurses, what else should be done to keep them working in Jamaica?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.